Oh,
yeah.
shit.
Get out. Yeah.
Why did it say it like that, bro? It sounded like a fucking simulated porn voice, bro. Get out now. Pull out instantly. Rapers! What's is good? It's your boy Laser. These are the vibes. Are back with another scary reaction video. You love this scary content, so I continue to deliver that for you guys. And this reaction to the most disturbing things called doorbell camera. Those doorbell camera videos, guys, are absolutely terrifying as shit. If you guys enjoy scary content, you want scary videos like this feature, somebody hit the like button, you subscribe, and share notice. It only takes a second. I'll stream every night. Twitch, bro. Check out the streams. Let's dive straight into this video. Here we go, bro. Damn, bro, it's probably scary as shit.
In this first intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a masked man is captured in front of
that beard is a whole crime, bro. More hair than my fucking nutsack.
someone's door, making repeated attempts to open it. The situation takes an unexpected turn as the homeowner intervenes, leading to a conversation that sheds light on the masked man's intentions.
Yo?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi. How you doing? Hey, my name is David. We're here from Verizon because they installed a new tower for
First mistake was Verizon, bro. Imagine using Verizon, guys. I use Cricket, bro. Cricket. Yeah. Have you guys ever took a Cricket, bro, an actual Cricket, bro? And then you get a Cricket bat, bro. And then you swing, bro. And then you say, "Oh, and one." Like, have you guys ever put your dick in pussy, bro? And then be like, "Oh, and one." Me too.
internet near
We've
your
all
block
done it.
to get very fast internet to your house.
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, two men are captured as they access someone's front door. While one of them stands outside, keeping watch to see if anyone is watching, the other one makes repeated attempts to open the door.
Ooh. What the fuck, bro?
In this mysterious Ring doorbell footage, a lady is captured as she steps out from someone's porch at night, her actions raising suspicion. The darkness adds an air of intrigue to her movements, leaving us with questions about her intentions.
Yo, what the fuck, dude? Weird.
In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a woman is captured as she quickly approaches someone's house. Her intentions become clear as she decides to steal a package that doesn't belong to her, leaving us with a stark reminder of the challenges of package theft.
Bro, those porch pirates, man, ridiculous. Ridiculous. Oh, why are you bending over like that, baby? Oh, don't mind me, bro. Oh, no. I'm moving closer all of a sudden. Beep, beep, beep. Ah, ah. Oh, no. Here it comes. Ah, ah, ah. Weird, bro.
In this intriguing nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he surveys someone's property, his actions suggesting a potential search for valuables. The cover of darkness adds an air of mystery to his intentions, leaving us with questions about his motives.
Oh, shit. Yo, Turtle Boy up there. What's he doing, bro? I just know there's a lot of cobwebs and shit up there, dude.
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he gains access to a house and starts attempting to break inside. His determined movements take him from one door to another as he seeks a point of entry.
What's going on? Oh, he's looking, bro. Got his hat on and shit. Stupid bug. Bro, that looks like a nice... That looks pretty nice. I don't know.
In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured in front of a door as he attempts to access it. However, his plans are thwarted by the timely intervention of the homeowner, causing him to leave the scene immediately.
Oh. What's going on? Huh? I don't even know what just happened.
In this brief but intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he makes a hasty escape from a residence environment. His hurried actions leave us with questions about his motives and the circumstances that led to his departure.
Oh shit. Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Get out. Yeah.
Why did it say it like that, bro? It sounded like a fucking simulated porn voice, bro. Get out now. Pull out instantly. Or you'll have 50 fucking kids for Christmas. That'll be your birthday. That'll be your Christmas present. And then someone will come out looking fucking sexy as fuck. Nom nom nom. Babies for breakfast. Nom nom.
In this mysterious nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he accesses someone's premises. His movements take him from one point to another as he surveys and searches for valuables, his intent shrouded in the darkness of the night.
Oh yeah? Yo, what's going on, bro?
In this captivating nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he stands in front of someone's door, exhibiting suspicious behavior and displaying strange attitudes. His actions raise concerns, leaving us with questions about his presence and intentions.
Yo, what's going on?
If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Bro you just stole the package like that. Just like that, huh? Just like that, huh? Damn.
In this thought-provoking Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he surveys a house, moving from one spot to another. His purposeful movements leave us with questions about his intentions and the reasons behind his observations.
What's going on? I don't even know what's going on. Just another porch pirate, bro.
In this intense Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he breaks into a house by forcefully...
Bro's ready to knock down every door with force, bro. He's mad that his ex didn't give him that sloppy he wanted.
...kicking the door.
He was like, nah, we broke up. I still want that sloppy.
In this bold ring...
Have you guys ever, went up to your ex, bro? You know, you just randomly go to your ex's address, bro. Knock on the door. Knock, knock, knock. Hey, baby. Hey, ex, baby. I'm sorry for, all the commotion and shit we dealt with. But can we make it up with the fucking, 𝐿𝐿? Can you give me a better 𝐿𝐿? And then you guys make it up, bro. And the best part is, after you do this, slit!
Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he confidently walks into someone's premises, his intentions clear as he proceeds to steal valuable items. With a practiced demeanor, he swiftly collects the items, places them inside his bag, and leaves, leaving us with a glimpse into the world of theft.
What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro?
In this enigmatic nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured in someone's yard during the late hours. His actions take an unexpected turn as he decides to sit down without an invitation from the owner, leaving us with questions about his motives. In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he gains access to someone's property under the pretense of making a call. His actions become more suspicious as he moves from one spot to another, eventually attempting to test if the door is open. In this unexpected Ring doorbell footage, a delivery lady is captured as she drops off a package in front of the owner's door. What follows is a surprising sequence of events. She covers the package with the doormat before leaving. Shortly after her departure, a man enters the scene and promptly picks up the package from under the mat.
What's going on, bro? Putting it under the rag, bro, like that? Oh shit.
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he attempts to break into a property. The tension escalates as an alarm suddenly activates, prompting him to swiftly run away from the scene.
Damn, just dipped like that, huh? Dipped like that, huh? Beep, 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 boop.
In this revealing nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he breaks into a parked car, his actions suggesting a search for valuable items. The cover of darkness adds an air of mystery to his intentions, leaving us with questions about what he's seeking.
Hold up, we got 2 red cars, bro. This guy's looking in one of them. What are they keeping there, bro? Is there some Barbie condoms in there? Have you guys ever took a condom, bro? Put it on your dick and put it in your girl, bro, and then be like, I'm a Barbie boy. Put in my dick in your asshole. But this condom is so plastic. Get so fucking horny.
In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, a suspicious man is captured inside someone's garage. His presence raises questions about his motives and activities within the space.
Oh shit.
In this mysterious nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he breaks into a vehicle, methodically searching for any valuables to take with him. The cover of darkness adds an air of intrigue to his actions, leaving us with questions about his intentions.
Wait, what's going on? Oh, he just went in the car looking for shit. I don't understand how people don't keep their doors locked, bro. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, shit. Kitty cat.
In this intriguing nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he breaks into a car, actively searching for valuables. The situation takes an unexpected turn as the car's security alarm activates, yet he continues searching without showing fear of being caught by the owner.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
In this bold daylight Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he brazenly breaks into a parked car. With the surroundings illuminated by daylight, he searches inside and swiftly gathers all the valuables he can find. He then rushes back to a waiting car for a quick getaway. The vehicle owner steps out to retrieve her belongings, only to find her car emptied.
Oh shit. Wide ass field, bro. I would definitely run in that shit. Dude, I've always wanted to just run in fields like that. On some real shit. What's going on, bro? Damn, just dipped like that, huh? Just dipped like that? Motherfucker yeeted, bro. Not like it matters, though. I mean, like, you were literally caught on camera. Everyone saw you. He's not gonna get away with it. Damn, this is like the owner of the house. They're probably, like, so confused. I'm sure the cameras from the other houses probably caught them, bro. Damn, it's crazy. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Guys, this video had me absolutely fucking shook. My dick was fucking trembling. If you guys enjoy the scary content, you know more scary videos like the future, you guys to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Extra large money.